Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithdali.com, and here I am showing you another card with the Hello Cupcake. This is one of the items that you get for free out of Celebration, and if you don't know what it is, let me just tell you a little bit from it. Celebration is the best time ever because you get free items during January through March out of this booklet. And so for every $50, you get a free item when you spend $50 on my store. There are ribbon, stamp sets, paper, design series paper, little wood elements. So anyway, there is a lot of things that you can get for free out of this catalog. This one has also foil paper. And at the very end, there's two items that are actually available when you purchase $100. So this item, or this stamp set, it's when you purchase $100, as well as the frame lids that coordinates with the Tea Together stamp set out of the Occasions catalog. Again, it's available for you for free when you purchase $100. The rest of the things are when you purchase $50. Now, there's no limit, so if you get $100, then you get 2 items. If you get $150, you get 3 items, and you get their JITs, right? So there's no limits for it. So for this one, I'm gonna actually be using 2 items. One is the stamp, and the other one is gonna be this design series paper. So let's get it started. Oh my goodness. So for this one, I have a card base that it is basic black, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm gonna be folding it in half. Let me just go ahead and do so. Oh my goodness, the bone folder. Then you use your bone folder. Totally missed that one. That way I have a crisp fold. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 2 1/4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of Design Series paper, and this one is 1/2 inch by 5.5, and it's a little bit larger because I'm going to be cutting it, but this one is out of that Design Series paper that I said it's free. Now let me just show it to you real quick. If you have not seen it, this is the one. And this one, what is really great is that it has nice colors on one side, but then it is black and white on the other side. So there are lots of possibilities with this Design Series paper. So I have here a little piece, which is going to go right there. And then I have a piece of lovely lipstick, and this one is 1/2 inch by 5.5. And I'm going to be actually cutting it, so it really doesn't matter how long it is. And then I have a piece that is lovely lipstick that is 1 inch by 4 1/4, and the same thing. It doesn't matter, we're going to be cutting it. Now for the inside of my card, because I'm using basic black, I decided I needed to have some Whisper White. And this one is 3.5 by 5, or 3 3/4, yeah, 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one already, because otherwise I'll forget about it at the end of this video. Usually I forget about this part, and I find myself that I'm always doing it as I am mailing the card. So I'm trying to do better. So let's just put this right in the inside. Okay. Now for my card, I'm going to bring the pierce mat. Because this is a photopolymer, it's always best to use a pierce mat underneath. That way you get a better transfer of the images. So I'm going to go and start with the Mellow Mambo, and I'm going to be stamping off. So I'm going to ink well and stamp once on scratch paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my Whisper White. Okay, just press firmly so that you get a good transfer of your image. And you can see that I have a lighter version of the one above, of the Mellow Mambo. So then I'm going to go ahead and use the, oh, but you know what, before I continue, let's do this so that it is dry by the time I need it. So I'm going to go ahead and color one of these epoxy shapes. What it is? The Heart Epoxy Droplet. And I love it because it comes in clear, and so you can use your blends and get any color that you want. So in this case, I'm using Lovely Lipstick, and I'm going to leave it apart so that it dries as I am stamping here. Then I'm going to go ahead and use lovely lipstick ink and put the sprinkles on this icing. Alright, and I have a little heart, and all of these are out of the same stamp set. So I have a little heart that goes really cute on the top. And let's do the bottom of this cupcake with this monkey slate. And what you're going to do is you're going to center it, so wherever it's supposed to go, and then go a little bit below. And then just stamp it. I always just press firmly just to make sure I get a good transfer of everything. And you can see it right there. Now you see there is a gap, and it's okay because we're going to be covering it with this piece of paper. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's all good. Now for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use Memento Black. And I am using the sentiment from the same set that says "Sprinkle with Love." This stamp set has really cute sentiments that could go for like any shower. There's one that says "Celebrate Your Day," "Sweet Wishes," and so they could go for so many events. I was thinking like baby showers. You could also use it for like birthdays, graduations. I mean, weddings. You can do it for whatever, really. So I think it is a great set to have, and you can do the icing on any color that you need. So I thought that's very great out of these stamp sets. So there we have. Oh, I don't think it's. Let me see. Yeah, much better. And I'm using the Taylor Tack Punch, which is this one, to do the banner. So this is how it goes. Now let's go ahead and get all of these ensemble. This is where the design series paper will go. So I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive. And I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. Alright, and I'm going to cut the excess. Then I'm going to go ahead and, before I continue, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of these. Okay, and then another piece. So I'm doing two little banners. And I'm going to be putting adhesive to these. And the same for this one. Let's just put a little adhesive here. So this one will go like so here. Oh my goodness. So this one will go like so here. Like here. Alright, like here. So I'm going to be putting one here. And one there. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and, so I use this one as a reference. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and there we have it. Okay. And then I'm going to be putting this one with, and see, I think that maybe I need to cut a little bit more. And a little bit more here too. There you have it, yeah. Just so there's not so much there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the dimensionals. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and put about 3. And I'm going to put it like right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the wing of a Stella. And I'm going to start doing the icing. Putting a light coat of wing of a Stella. So it has that shimmer look that we all like. So cute. I'm loving it. And then to top it off, I'm going to go ahead and take this little heart, the one that we colored, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right on this one. And there you have it. What do you think, huh? I feel like this one looks fantastic. I love how it looks. Let me just show you a couple more using almost the same colors and the same concept, right? You can see those two. And then here. So like I said, I'm going to be using this for my Valentine's, and the design series paper is fantastic, but this stamp set, I mean, there is so many possibilities for this one that you definitely have to have this one on your collection. So anyway, I'll put a link on the description of this video. I will also be linking all the videos to make these ones as well on the description. Somewhere here, I think somewhere there, I'll be putting some sort of link so that you can see them as well. But if you want to purchase any of these items, please go to my shop. Again, the link is right down there. And then you can get any of these items, the design series paper or the stamp set, for free. So anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye.